Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So I know I'm posting a lot of videos because I've been accumulating a lot of things and I've been dawdling and I haven't been recording as much as I should be. But I'm on top of it now. And I will show you what I got during the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. And stuff that I got before that and stuff I got after that and just a lot of stuff. You already know I've gotten some of the stuff I've reviewed, like the Bite Beauty lipsticks for 20% off. Anything that I could get that was new releases that I waited for, I tried to get with my 20% off. And other things I was just like on the fence, but then I was like, do it! And then I was like, ah, and then I was like, yeah, okay. Rambled too much already. Let's go. So first things first. I decided, since I'm so falling in love with milk, to get my little milky things, and I got the watermelon toner, watermelon serum, brightening serum, and the matcha toner. So I got these because I'm super excited to try them. I've been loving their face masks so g-dang much. It's ridiculous, and I love them. I love them. So those are $14 each, and I got those. I finally got my Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy Wife. I know this has been out a long time. I've been back and forth because it is gold. It is so beautiful and so gold, and I wanted it. I wanted it because I am a Trophy Wife. Look at that. Can we see? Can we tell? It's amazing. It's just this amazing, bright, shiny gold. I'm gonna put that all over my body. I'll mark all the prices and everything below on the description box, but Trophy Wife's been out a while. It's great formula. I love her. They're the Killawatt Freestyle highlighters. I love these. The pink one, the gold one, the diamond one. Oh, I love those. Oh, I love those. I love when she comes out with new stuff. I went ahead, and I know I did the video on the lipsticks, but I went ahead and got the lip scrub because I just couldn't help myself. So it takes a little bit to wear down the initial balming stuff that holds all the scrub together, and then it's a little more coarse and a little better. I loved the e.l.f. stick for a while, the lip scrub stick, but it just went down so fast that that's why I was afraid of getting this one. But I had to give it a try, so we're giving it a try. We're giving it a try. Then, in terms of, let's just keep going with lips. Lip care, I wanted to try the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I just got like the regular one, and it is so nice. It's a little thicker, it smells like berries. It's super hydrating, super nice, and I'm just getting really into, I'm actually really getting into skincare and really getting into lip care, because when I get anxious and nervous, I literally will just pick at my lips and just drag, it sounds awful, sorry, like just peel the skin off, just like when you get chapped lips and it's like cracked, and yeah, so like that's like my issue. So I'm trying everything I can to scrub my lips, to moisturize my lips, to keep things on my lips, because I love lipstick so much. I love the colors, I love the diversity of everything that I need to like maintain my lips so they can look pretty while wearing these things. So got that, and I also got their lip glowy balm. It sold me because it was relatively inexpensive and it was grapefruit. Oh my god, it's grapefruit. Smells delicious. It's a little thinner. It feels good. It's not super slippery, but it is a different consistency than, it's kind of like a gloss, like a hydrating gloss, and it smells like grapefruit. Love it. Then I couldn't help myself. I got a Pat McGrath lipstick, and it's the only time to get it, it's when it's on sale. So I got Pat McGrath, and I got one called She's Heaven. I don't think I had seen that one. So we open it, and she's right here, and she is heaven. It's really, really pretty. It's a matte trance. No, it's a luxury LuxeTrance. And so it's a little like balmier, but it looks just like a perfect nude for me. That I'm so excited. I love when I get my Pat McGrath. I have such a problem. I need to go to some kind of like, someplace. You know, y'all are all with me. Then This glitter flip, I've never tried the Ciate glitter flip, but it was like on sale for like $9 on top of being on sale, so it was just like, why not? And it's just a nude color. It's just a nude, and then when you press your lips together, it's supposed to flip to a little glittery. So I'm just gonna let that dry, and then I'll pat it down like rubbing lips, and we'll see like how it changes. Then I couldn't help it because they put these by the register, and these are the Sephora brand lipsticks, and they have, I was on the same whole road tripping with Bite thing, that they actually did the same kind of thing but with their brands. So we've got Texas, which is a red, number 23, and I don't know if they've had these so much as I just saw them and I was like, yes, Texas. And then I was like, Hollywood. So it's a red, a pinky rose, and then New York, which is a kind of more light nude. It kind of looks like my Pat McGrath actually. Semi-dupe. These are only like $8, if that. I know everybody's upset that Moschino had a collab with Sephora and they did school supplies. And there's another indie brand that also did the same thing. Now, my thoughts on them are kind of different. I think you can do something and be new and do it right and do it well, and people are going to choose your product over a bigger brand. I think that they had a lot of success with their crayon box eyeshadow palette, not really with their brushes, or they do a lot of eyelashes. Let's just say I hadn't heard of them. I'd heard of the eyeshadow set, but not any of the rest of the stuff that they sent. And so they're mad that this is kind of taking over. And I think the brushes that look like pencils are adorable. The sponges that are erasers, yes, they kind of transferred over to the same, like, could be copyrighted. But the computer eyeshadow palette, so cute. The highlighters, they weren't my style highlighters because they're cream, but they were adorable. Oh my gosh, even the nail polish that was white out. I am that old, where I would sit in school and we'd either paint our nails with that white out nail polish, or we'd have that gum, that silver wrapper, and we'd peel it back, and then it's like from the white paper, and you'd stick it on your nails and press it on there, and your nails would be either silver or white. Like, I am that many years old. Like, that just drove me crazy, but then I can't spend $12 on nail polish that flakes off. I'm sorry, but I wanted it so bad. I was like, I'll just go buy white out. Just kidding, kind of. But I did get these because they're highlighters and they're so cute. These are liquid lipsticks and they go nowhere. I tried this one on my daughter and I wore this one. I swear, they dried fast, they weren't super drying, and they went absolutely nowhere. They're still available at Sephora. It's up to you if you want to get them or not, but I just thought they were the cutest things. They were the cutest things, so I got it. Two more things, because I'm trying to be quick. This Kat Von D Crush on Blush is amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. The color is Rose for the blush, and it's just like a mauve-y, a dark, not dark mauve, but a light mauve, and it's just, oh, it's so pretty. And their highlight is Gamay. So that, I know you can't really see it on my arm, but on my cheeks it's just such a nice warm wash of color. And then this highlighter, so pretty. It's a little chunky with the glitter, but it just kind of wows you and it looks gorgeous. I love this. Then I haven't tried this yet, but I got their mascara, the Go Big or Go Home. I still have my eyelash extensions in, so I'm gonna wait to use this with my natural eyelashes, and I'll probably do a video of the best / worst mascaras in my opinion. So I just got it and I'm ready for it and I'm excited about it. That's it. That's it. I know I'm talking really fast. I don't mean to be talking really fast. I just kind of wanted to get through it without it being like a crazy long video. Okay, stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see y'all later. Thank you so much. Bye.